All right, hey guys, we're back again at Next Level Automotive here. You're watching Dutchman Seb. This is a brand new rebuilt Supra engine with a big turbo. We're gonna fire it up for the first time. This engine has been hand built from scratch, from the internals all the way out to everything you see here on the outside. So really a beautiful handcrafted build, and we're gonna fire it up and see how she sounds. We've primed the fuel, flashed the ECU, and given it a few swings of ignition to give the oil pump some time to pump oil to the top of the engine. So Euron's going to swing it for us. There we go. First startup. New customer's going to be really happy with this beautiful new build. Don't mind the noise in the background. Take a look at the size of this exhaust at the back here. Straight through pipe, right at the back here. Massive pipe. Real gorgeous car that. Take a look here, you can see a green Del Sol. Just getting a new paint job. The owner's brought the car in here. It's got a beautiful, nicely painted valve cover here in gold. It's a B16 motor, and the car's being stripped down now to get a paint in the paint booth. And here's my car. Bit of an update on my car. The last video we made, we replaced the head gasket for my car because it was using a bit of oil, and there was air bubbles coming up in the coolant. So actually, after driving the car a while, it was consuming a lot of oil and starting to smoke at high revs, big blue clouds of smoke. So what I actually did is I found another engine online on Facebook Marketplace for 350 euros. Complete motor from an automatic Civic out of 97, same engine code D16Y8, and I've done a complete full swap of the engine. So that motor actually went in yesterday. I finally finished all the work. It took me about 4 days in total. And just to give you a bit of an update as well, nice new carbon fiber hood we put on the engine here as well as some Next Level stickers for the windshield here to represent Next Level Automotive. So that's the update from my car. It's running really well. I've just given it a wash now, so everything's nice and clean. And yeah, now you can see the car starting up. New hard race mounts as well. And there she is. Starts up beautiful, drives like a charm as well. So maybe one day I'll go B16 and swap out my D series for a B series. Still a lot of space for a turbo and a lot of space for a turbo. So maybe we'll go turbo at a later stage. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching the update. No more smoking, no more oil consumption. There goes the Supra as well. This green Supra here has been rebuilt as well, from every bolt being re-galvanized from the ground up. The entire chassis was rebuilt as well, repainted. It's actually been sold. So a beautiful original twin turbo as well. This was the NA first Supra that Jan brought over from the UK. It's had a new paint job now. You can see it's the original NA, and they've repainted this whole car now. This is the one with the nice canards with the not carbon fiber, Kevlar canards. That's the one. All been repainted now. Looks pretty decent. Take a look outside. Got a couple more Supras to check out. Jordy's R34 GT. It's actually going to be sold tomorrow, so that's the last time we'll be seeing this one here. And then you see all the Supras out here. We've got the Blurple Supra. It's been repainted. Robbo's Supra. This one's still for sale. Really nice midnight purple. You can see it really nicely now. Today we've got some sunshine, the sparkle color in the paint. Really a lot of glitter in this, really sparkly. And then of course Supra Soup from Bust and Loose. So there you go, Supra heaven. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and until next time, thanks so much. Hit the thumbs up and definitely subscribe. Cheers.